What's happening, soul family? Elegant soul food to consecrated nature, baby. Stopping by today to unbox a couple of things I got from Soul Ionic Botanicals. This is probably what like my fifth video, so I've really been riding with this KT the Architect guy. Um, I must say I jumped off the tracks this time, trying some stuff. And when I was doing my research for this video on the product, I was just like, I don't know why I ordered this, this particular one. But I think I kind of was listening to one of his lectures and something resonated with me at the time. So I got two products here today. The Meluminous-B and the Soltriol-D. Okay, so unboxing. We got the peanuts. Oh, and we got the first bag. Just the Meluminous-B. We got the invoice, and let's see if it's a write up in here. It's directions on how to take the Meluminous-B, which is wonderful. And Soltriol-D. This is another thing. Alright. And then, oh no, homie. These little packages. I keep getting these little packages. I thought this was going to be bigger. Going by the image that I saw on the website. I really thought this was going to be bigger. And it's 60 tablets. Alright, well, let's get into it. First things first. The Meluminous-B. There's nothing on this package. It just says it's a diabetes formula herbal blend. I don't have diabetes. I don't know why I ordered this. And I'm thinking, was it in part because of the conversation when he was explaining the benefits of it? And I'm overweight. I'm not obese, but I'm overweight. And I've been waiting for an opportunity to get myself together. I get a good start going, and then life happens like boom, bang, boom, 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 boom. I tell you, honest God, this is what I've been telling people. Life has been happening to me and my family like a Busta Rhymes lyric. It's been like, them bitches had enough, give them some more. The bitches had enough, give them some more. The bitches had enough, give them some more. Turn the heat up. This is like every time you turn, it's just like, what now? What now? I'm sorry, this music is too loud. I don't own the rights to this music, and I'm not promoting anything or trying to sell the music. So, Meluminous-B diabetic or diabetes formula. It does not say what the herbs are. All right, it does not say what the herbs are, and nowhere on this insert does it say what the herbs are. This is just the directions on how to take it. It says add 2 tablespoons of the mix to 24 ounces of distilled water. Bring to a boil. Boil for 10 minutes. Turn off flame. Cover and steep for 30 minutes. Strain and drink 3 cups daily, morning, afternoon, and evening. So I'm under the impression, now not knowing the ingredients, I don't know what the hell I got going on here, right? I'm just taking KT Architect at his word and my previous experiences with his purchases, right? So what I do know is a little bit that I've researched. It's a nature science blend for diabetes. It helps with your liver and kidney issues, and it helps with anemia. And I think that was like one of the things I saw. I was borderline for anemia, and I've had a history of anemia, but I haven't had a problem with anemia for years. And so I'm like, is this why I bought this stuff? So what about how to take it? Um, it says that the beta part in the Meluminous-B, B stands for beta. And beta cells are where the insulin is produced. So this is supposed to get down to a cellular level, and I'm gonna take it probably once in the morning. I'll probably do it once in the morning. I'm trying to get more into drinking teas and bitters and stuff. I drink a lot of water and pretty much nothing else. It's like 90%, yeah, like 99% of my intake is all water. So I'm trying to force myself to do herbal teas now. So that's the Meluminous-B. You can always go research it for yourself and go to KT's website at Ionic.com. Yeah. Okay, so now this, I thought, oh, I'm sorry. Let me open this up so you can see it. That's what the damn unboxing is, right? Show and tell. Can you see that? Oh, man. There's some next level looking stuff here. There's some next level looking stuff here. Let me see. It's a bunch of these like stumps and barks here. Pretty interesting. Smells good, but it smells like any other damn bark root that you would get. But it smells really good. And it's a lot of little other dust in there. So this is a true blend or whatever it is. What did it say? It was a science blend. Yeah, nature science blend. Okay, well, if I had a hot pot right here, I guess I could steep it for 30 minutes and tell you what it tastes like, but I don't, so we not. Don't do that much time anyway. Okay, so now this got me pretty excited. I need to take more vitamin B. So this is transducer and hormonal messenger of sunlight. That's what I found on the National Institutes of Health website about Soltriol-D. And transducer meaning that it converts brightness into electrical signals. Okay, so this sounds like some high-tech vitamin D, right? And they've been doing a lot of research on this. So it's skin-derived hormonal sunshine. And it's really supposed to help people that have seasonal affective diseases, disorder with the weather. It's really going to help them tremendously. I just have vitamin D deficiency, and because I have immune and autoimmune health issues, my doctors have had me on vitamin D for years. So when the KT architect said he had a vitamin D version, I said that I would jump in and try it, right? So this is supposed to target regulation of calcium. It's supposed to help the bones, the intestines, the kidney, the brain, spinal cord. Have a lot of neurological things. So that was another reason why I want to check it. The pituitary gland, your thyroid issues, your endocrine system, your pancreas, your adrenal, medullus, and exocrine, thymus, your reproductive cells for men and women. See what it says on the back. It says nothing can replace the sun. Our solar source dispenses ultraviolet D or B radiation. It's kind of blurry. Radiation to stimulate the conversion of cholesterol to vitamin D in our oh my God. Fat under our skin. High cholesterol is usually a result of lack of vitamin D production. My cholesterol is high. And when did I have that blood work done? Yep, in December. So yeah, that makes some sense in addition to the habit I had last year. I was eating off of my lifestyle. So yeah, just the other stuff that I said. And it's food source vitamin D. And it says take 2 tablets daily with solar exposure. I did go out and walk in the sun today. Let's say there are food sources of vitamin D, usually in the D2 form. Vitamin 3 is the complete form. The complete form. Most supplements source from sheepskin secretions called lanolin. Citrol-D, a Soltriol-D, vegan vitamin D3 tablets are plant origin sourced from lichen, not to be lichen, Lichen, not to be confused with lectins. Um, okay, so take 2 a day. I was out in the sun today. I went and walked at the beach. So I'm gonna see what these tablets look like. Okay, so here they are. These are the tablets. It says take 2 tablets, but does it say like with water or can I chew these? It just says take 2 tablets. Oh, wait. The insert says take 2 tablets daily with a glass of water. I be supposing I will not choke these tablets down since I didn't bring any water in here with me. I think I'm going to take these in the morning. All right. So I wanted to say a little bit about the Soltriol-D. Yeah, I read my card, but Elegant Soul Food's my name, right? So I had to have a play on soul food for my car. It says soul food, but it's SOL. So soul meaning it's the fifth note in the musical scale, and it's the dominant scale note. And soul means like local day on the planet. Soul means the sun and the sun god or goddess, and soul means gold or currency. So just want to throw that out there. SOL. Play on soul food, SOUL, because you got to be good for your soul, right? You got to be in the soul for your soul. It's all connected. Thank you, Callie, for stopping by. Until real soon. Love and blessings.